Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing both photos and music into your editor. This is where the rhythm informs the cut. Set the timeline to the song's length, then place photos on layers or clips. Once done, scrub the track to find beats and markers. Use those markers to time transitions. Make sure to set photo durations relative to tempo, longer for ambient parts, shorter for choruses. This establishes the visual pacing and prevents later rework when you add effects and motion. You animate photos using scale and position keyframes tied to the song's beats so motion feels musical. Once you've placed keyframes, refine easing and timing. Ease in on slow beats, snap on strong hits. Then apply global color grade to match mood and paint selective adjustments for faces or highlights. Use rhythmic transitions, crossfades for soft passages, quick cuts for percussive sections, so the visuals breathe with the audio, keeping viewers engaged and the story coherent. You export with correct settings, codec, frame rate, and resolution that match where you'll upload. Once exported, review the full video and watch for audio-visual misalignment. If a photo jump feels off, nudge the keyframe by one frame rather than redoing the whole segment. If you hear clipping or unpleasant pops, reduce master gain and add tiny fades, 10 to 20 milliseconds, on audio edges. These small fixes preserve intent and deliver a polished, music-driven photo edit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.